Hello, Bellas. It's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I'm bringing you the Ipsy review for the month of April. So, first and foremost, let's get into the Ipsy bag. The bag is really beautiful. It is a butterfly theme. It's called Social Butterfly. So I love that theme. I love the fact that the details here gives you a little bit of that rose gold. Also in the tie gives you that rose gold. As well as the zipper is rose gold as well. Then on the back, it's a beautiful lilac color. And then they followed that theme inside of the bag with that lilac color as well. So it's a beautifully made bag. I think it's really pretty. But again, you don't just get Ipsy for the bag, you get Ipsy for the products. And this month, just like in March, I was a little underwhelmed by the products that I got. So let's first get into the products that I liked or sort of liked. And I'll tell you about that in a minute. So the product I liked is by Vasanti. This is their concealer brush. It is a very fluffy brush. It goes right up underneath your eye to pack that powder, and then it's fluffy enough that it brushes away any excess. I also love the design of the brush. It's very easy to handle. It fits nicely in my hand and allows me to do what I need to do. So this to me was a winner. I enjoyed the brush. The other product, which I'll be honest with you, I'm a little on the fence about, is by Purific. This is their coconut micellar water. It's a cleansing water that's all in one. It does soothing. It's a soothing and ultra hydrating, no rinse, no rub formula, and it's oil free. I have to tell you, and let's smell it again. You do definitely get the coconut smell. I don't think that it's real coconut because I'm allergic to coconut, and I did test this on a small part of my skin just to see if I would have an allergic reaction, and I didn't. So that leads me to believe that it's probably fragrant coconut and not actual coconut in the product. So for me, that's a good thing. But if you're looking for a product with coconut in it, this is probably not it for you. So that's that. And I will take it with me when I travel. And if I need, some extra help with a micellar water, I will use it. I'll let you guys know when I use it how I feel about it. But for me, it's just something that I will take as a backup as I travel and not really something that I will put into my everyday routine. So you probably won't hear me talk about it for a while. The next thing that I got that I'm sort of on the fence with is by Hemp's. This is their herbal lip balm, and it's 100% hemp seed oil. It doesn't really have a fragrance. Yeah, it doesn't really have a fragrance. It does smell a little citrusy, I'm getting. I don't know if there's citrus in it. I haven't read all of the ingredients, but for me, I have so many different lip products that I really love. So this I will probably give to my daughter because she enjoys those types of lip balms and she might like it better than myself. And then the next thing that I got that I'm definitely on the no for is by Real Her. It's called Girl Power. It's in the color mauve, and I will open it up for you. I do love the fact that inside they do give you a 30% off coupon, which you can use on the Real Her website to get any other product that you might like for 30% off. So even though this product particularly is not a hit for me. And I'll show you the color, which is, you know, why I say that. This is the mauve color. I'm not going to swatch it because I know for a fact that this is not going to be flattering on my skin. So I'd rather give it to someone who can put it to better use, someone a little fairer than myself. But I will go on their website to see, you know, maybe there's something else that I can use. And then lastly, something that I did love, and I already like put it into my Z palette. This is by Ofra Cosmetics, and I can't remember what the name of this is because I already threw out the packaging, so I was so excited to get this blush. It's a very pretty sort of salmony pink color, and it gives you a nice little flush of color. Not so much so that you can see yourself from like 10 feet away, but you can build it up so that if you do want a little bit more intensity in the color, you can do that. So definitely that's one that's going to be in my rotation. I actually did wear it yesterday, so if you want to see me wear it on the channel, let me know. Be more than happy to demo it for you. But that's it for the month of April. Like I said, I was a little underwhelmed, and I was underwhelmed from March as well. So I'm hoping April does better for me and that the products are a little bit better, because other than the brush, which I absolutely love, and the blush, and maybe the micellar water, I'm not really sure, I wasn't really happy this month. So, and the bag is really pretty. But again, you know, I'm really looking for the products to be the star of the show, not really the bag. So that's it for this review. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The button is right below the video. It has my Brown Girl Bella logo on it. Just click on that and then you're in the Bella fam. You're in the crew. And then also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you be notified each and every time I upload. Follow me on my Instagram as well as my Snapchat. I'm going to leave those right there for you. And then, is there anything else I need to say? I don't think so. Drop me a line. Let me know what you think about the look, what you think about the month of April's Ipsy Bag. I did not get the Sephora, so that's why you're not getting the Sephora and Ipsy review for this month. Sephora, for some reason, is being very slow with my monthly subscription, so I'll have to send that one up separately. But I just didn't want to wait, and I wanted you guys to see what I got in the Ipsy bag. Plus, I got a bunch of other stuff that I want to make sure I roll out to make sure that I give you guys at least 2 videos per week. So this week, 2 videos. Next week, I already got in the can 2 videos. So we're well on our way to a more consistent basis so that you guys know when I'm uploading. And just so you know, I upload on Wednesday and Saturday every week. So check me out. And until next time, besos.